Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Sorry for uploading so late because I've been very busy, guys. I've been busy, and because me and my new partner, we're gonna do a new store that is in a broader niche than my previous store, because my previous store was in baby niche, and and the product was only for 1 year olds and like under, so that was pretty niche down. But I still got managed to got around 15 sales. Like yesterday I got like 3 sales, and all 3 of them were from one person because they ordered like 3 times. Like, I don't know, I was like, what? So yeah, guys, so I'm pretty giving up on that store, and I didn't even begin like advertise on Facebook for that, because I know that that kind of wasn't the winning product. That was my first store, and I only did like Instagram influencers, and I got around $300 in sale or something like that. $300, yes, and my profit margins were like in $50 or something, because I all did like it was Instagram shoutouts with meme pages. But this product that I choose is gonna be more broader, and I'm gonna sell it like gym product, guys. So that's kind of spoiler alert, because like I already train in the gym, so I know kinda about this niche, and I'm kind of interested in it because I seen like all these gurus says like go in a product that you're interested in. So I'm gonna test, like, see how this goes, and this product is actually good, guys. I have checked like Google Trends and like everything. This product is in the trend, and I'm not gonna target United States, Canada, or United Kingdom. I'm just gonna target Sweden, because in Sweden is lower competition, so it means lower CPM. And yeah, guys. So one thing I recommend you guys to do is that, like, if you're living in United States or like another country, like English speaking country, like, don't do what other people's do. Do something different. Like, try another thing. Try Twitter influencers, TikTok influencers, TikTok ads. You know, like, try to make it work, because Facebook ads is very complex, and I don't even know, because my partner is gonna help me with that when we go on with that store. So we see how it goes, guys. And so basically, yesterday and today, all I've been doing is like getting the product ready and making a website. Yeah, testing some new things and see how I can build my new website. Like, I really want to like make this like a brand new website, like a branded website. And guys, like, one thing I'm gonna tell you guys is like, I'm very like sensitive. Like, everything have to look perfect for me, otherwise I can't sleep. And currently here is 3 a.m, so I've been working till now. So I just wanted to let you guys know how my day has been. So yeah, guys, that's all I've been up to. That's just product research, doing some Facebook courses. I have one course, I watched that, watching some YouTube videos about dropshipping, training, listening to motivational speeches, and all that good stuff, guys. So keep the grind, guys. See you tomorrow.